This is the Insta360 One X2. In this video, we're going to unbox it and see what is inside the box. Let's open up. There you go, very nice packaging. Okay, so the camera itself. Okay, so in the package, you get a very nice protection in the other side to make sure that the camera does not get damaged during shipping. And then we have the camera itself. Okay, so this basically has two lenses, one in both the sides. So you need to be really careful placing it on the table, so it might get scratched when you place it on a table. Okay, so I'm going to keep it back onto the same case to make sure that it does not get damaged. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so we have this is quite hard. Okay, so I think I should open this up, which has the accessory bag. Okay, so let's see what's inside there. Okay, a nice way to take things out. Okay, so that's the type C cable, type A to type C. And then we have a nice carrying pouch. Good. And they have the Insta360 logo there. And then some documents and a nice sticker. Like Apple and GoPro and other companies, even Insta360 has their own stickers. And then we have some instructions manual like quick start, guide, and warranty information and information about the waterproofing of this camera. Okay, and then we have a nice cleaning cloth. Very good. So those are the things that you will find inside the box, and this completes this video. Stay tuned for more videos on Insta360 One X Mark II. Take care. Bye-bye.